here's what's happening at Utopia Farms today.
I assume he's taking them all, so he's... It's called the sheep effect.
More? That's it? Oh, okay.
Oh, Arnie! What on earth?
Let's get started. Today we've got people coming over to pick up some sheep, so we gotta rush through chores to get it all done and move the sheep over before they arrive. And right here we have my two morning greeters. Hi, Scotty. Hi, Scotty. Hi, Pippi. Hi. Hi, Pippi. Hi. Are you in the yard? Good boy. Hi, Scotty. Hi. Hi, Pippi. He's a little scared in the yard because he knows that safety is in the barn. But he hangs with Scotty because Scotty's, I think, his like protector, right? And there's Mike too. Hi. Are you guys hungry? You look starved. You look starving. Scotty still likes his spot there. Hi. Do you want yours? Come on then. Are you vicious? Are you a little vicious?
Catwoman.
All the breeding groups are fed. So we're gonna run over to the coveralls and get all that done quickly, and they should be here in half an hour. So they're here to look at the 50, and they're just gonna take a quick peek through to make sure they're happy with everybody. Arnie's chit-chatting, that could take a while. And then we got the trailers arrived. He's just backing up here. This is a really long trailer. So luckily this guy's a transport driver, so he knows the driving. Come on, Max. Ben. That's Casanova. So I don't know if he's going to pull any out or if he's going to take them all. I assume he's taking them all, so he's... Oh, he's talking about stones too.
Yes, because we lost that one.
It's a terrible thing.
He really struggled with that one. I think he was playing the... I said, we did the things. Like, you can only... I don't know. I mean, and otherwise it's learning curve.
There's nothing...
I mean, we just... It is what it is, right? But he took that very...
They're a flock animal. They're like sardines, eh?
Found that out when we were cleaning out the barn this weekend, eh, Amanda? The one little hole, the one little the one goes in there, and everybody else is...
Oh, everyone.
And see right now, see how there's mainly Suffolks in here?
Yes, yeah, you're right.
They do that.
You want to start? Most of them should have probably more in here.
Want a few more in?
Yeah, I'm thinking they should crowd them right up.
That's what she said.
There we go.
Come on. Come on.
Then they all want to go in at once. Don't let them back
I was
out.
gonna say before they come back down, right?
But you see how they're going into the groups. It's called the sheep effect. Good girls. Don't let her jump. Arnie, one's behind you.
I know, but I don't want.
Get her. She's gonna jump. Because she's above average. That's actually a spectacular year. She's way above average. Yeah, that was a gorgeous shoot.
That Dorset there to me looks really pretty too.
Yes, very nice.
That's it. Come on.
Yeah, can't watch them. Oh, good girls.
Don't leave me behind.
There's the daddies watching.
There more?
That's it.
Oh, okay.
Looked at them for a while, so.
And he's a year, like when he would have been born like he's a year already.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He'll be going. Oh, Arnie! What on earth? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He'll be going.
Yeah, you have to see a good round hoop on them. I like to see a good round foot.
It's a nice looking ram, Amanda. I think he's What are your thoughts? Do you want?
He's very Dorsety looking.
There's always gonna be another one, right? You guys are not stopping tomorrow, so
We want to downsize though.
yes.
We're
We'll
trying.
take more Dorsets right now.
They decided that they had enough rams, so they're not taking them. And the trailer's now gonna do a loop around the field to get out of here. Okay, the trailer's leaving. They like to pet their sheep too, so always a bonus when they go to a similar type farm.
Come on, Ben, come on. Looks like they're having a little nap here. Come on, Max. Have a little nap here. You guys want to go in and have a drink? We're just loading some sheep this morning, so these guys had to go out in the yard. Oh, buddies. Come on. Come on, bub. Come on, buddy. Oh, come on. Come on, get down there. Get down there. Come on. Ben, Max, on. See if they know the right way to turn. Come on, Ben, Max. Ben, Max. No, they went the wrong way. Ben, Max, come over here. Nobody told you to do that, Max. Don't be thick. Oh, and they're gonna go all the way to the field. Those knobs couldn't figure it out. There they go, right around the barn. Come on, guys, come on back here. Come on, guys. Well, this Max brought them right in for me. They're back in the original barn. Okay, Max, that's good. That's good, Max. Good boy. You finally did something intelligent, Max. Hey? Max, are you paying attention to me? Come on, Max. Come on, lie down. Lie down. Oh, here they come back out. Hang on. Hey, get back. Come on. No, no. Shh, shh, shh. Come on. Here you go. Come on, guys. Get in there. They probably want to stay out, probably. There they go. Hey. Oh, slow down, you guys. These guys are a little pumped right now. So, anyways, that's it for that job. We had to load some sheep this morning, so I took the fences away here. I think I'm going to put the gates back up and let these little lambs right over here go to the pasture for a few minutes. Well, shh. Go for a little run. They're pretty happy. Hey, where you guys going? Oh, it's beautiful weather, eh? Oh, they all came out or not? Let's see. Oh yeah, they all came out. Come on, Ben. Let's go see what they're doing. I don't know why they ran out there so fast. Hey, Ben. It's a beautiful fall day. Beautiful fall day. Sunny, right temperature, all ready for third cut. So you can see the corn back there is changing color. The leaves are changing color in the trees. It's hard to notice it, but they're changing their tone. And the leaves for the beans are coming off. And it's ready to cut the third cut down. The third cut is going to go dormant, the grass. So might as well cut it. Come on, Ben. Ben, over here. Don't frighten. Don't make him fright. Oh, they haven't got too much grass left here, actually. Hey, guys. Ben. Ben, come on. Hey, what are you guys doing? Ben, come on, Ben. This is their little yard, so they can have fun here. I'll just leave them alone. They actually have enough grass here to eat away at. So these are some of our replacement ewe lambs that we kept back. So we kind of hand-picked these a little bit. Hey, buddies. So they're allowed to go to the field back here, but there should be, we should try to cut the wool off them a little bit. Some nice lambs in here. That one there is probably caught in that rope over there. I'm thinking probably should go and check that. I don't know why they would get caught in them ropes all the time. Always out. He's right up in there. Hey, Bob. Bob. What are you doing? I swear, these are the same ravens that have been here for years. So I think today is 9th of September. I'm going to show you something. Oh, see it right there? Right there. That's a little more than half the moon showing. So I don't know how many more days it'll take to fill that moon out. So it's the 9th of September. I'm probably going to question that we're going to get a frost. We'll see what happens. But it's fall. Anything could happen.